Today I'm gonna show you best FPS settings in Team Fortress 2. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. All you need to do, just press escape button and launch game Team Fortress 2. Move here down and you will see this gear, click on it and go here on video. On this first section resolution, choose full resolution from monitor, like me. On aspect ratio, go on widescreen 6010 and display mode choose full screen. Move here down, click on advanced and go here model detail, click on it and choose like me high. On texture details from low choose very high. Shadow detail from high choose low and water detail choose simply reflections. Shadow detail from high switch on low and color correction go here enabled. Move to anti-aliasing and switch this on and set like me 4 and filtering mode choose like me. Wait for VSync go disable and motion blue also disabled. Multicore rendering switch this enabled and high dynamic range go here none. Check this use bloom effect when available and go here OK. Hit apply. And you have the best FPS settings in Team Fortress 2. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.